All right, so we're gonna talk about how to do the window trims. So we normally use MDF for exterior, but you can use any other wood that you have for exterior there. You don't need to use this. This is the one we picked to use. We use either cedar or MDF for exterior. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to do it with the MDF for exterior, but you can pick with any other product. It's gonna be the same process. It's important to see that we do cuts of 10 degrees here, and also the fall of the window trim is going to be 10 degrees for the exterior trims, in order to have the fall for the water. All right, so we're gonna do the process to build the window trim. So the first thing you need to do is you put the fall obviously pointing down. You're gonna glue the bottom of one of the edges here, and there. This glue is only to hold, but we're gonna nail it also. So you're just gonna hold it. You're just gonna match the corners, and you're gonna nail it with a 1.5 inch finishing nails, just to hold it. And you're gonna repeat the process in the other side. You put both nails, right? Once it's nailed, we're gonna have to screw it. And in order to do that, we're gonna hold it here with the sergeant. And we're gonna drill with a countersink. This is a 1 1/8 drill bit with a 3/8 countersink. Okay. This is in order to hide the screws. So we're gonna have this 2-inch screw. And you're gonna screw it here. Once you do that, you lose the sergeant. You put the other side, and you're gonna repeat the process. Countersink in the middle of both nails that you just put. Remember, it's an 8 and 3/8 of the countersink. Then just screw up the window trim. Okay. Now we are gonna patch. We are gonna patch both the screw and the junctions that we are gonna sand later. But for now, we just leave the patch there. So we're gonna have here the compound patch. This is the product that we use. And we are gonna patch this thing. All right, so we put the compound patch on the junction, and then we patch the screw. Okay, you don't need to leave it like super fine there, because you're gonna sand it later. So just patch it and repeat the process on the other side. Right, there it is. And now we're gonna repeat the process in the other side. Okay, for the measurements, I'm gonna send you the measurements in a graphic, just so you have the measurements of this with the degrees that it needs to have. Because if you need to change like whichever window trim that you have, I'm gonna send you the measurements for that. But it's the same process to build them all. So you're gonna repeat the process in the other side of the trim. You're gonna glue both ends, then put them together, then use a sergeant to hold them and nail it with a finishing nail. 1.5 inch. Right. And you use the guide with the 1/8 and the countersink. 3/8. And it's basically the same thing. It's in all 4 corners of the window trim. You do this process, screw it. This screw will be patched. Then you will repeat the process in this corner. countersink, 2-inch screw. There it is. Now you just patch them and you do the same process, and that's it. That's how you make it done. From there, you will need to sand it and paint it, which is pretty obvious how to do.